What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another course video in the Ecom Lab. Now in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to outsource your task on your Shopify store. Now this is a very important thing to do so that you can focus on scaling, focus on new products, and focusing on advertising so that you can make a lot more money. I'm going to be showing you guys exactly where to find these VAs, how to hire them, what to look for, all that good stuff. So hopping into my computer, guys, you're going to want to go onto a website called Upwork.com. Now, with Upwork.com, you're going to find a lot of variety of people that do different things and tasks. But for this example, guys, we're going to be focusing on order fulfillment and customer service. What you're going to do, guys, is you're going to go into the hourly rate and you're going to make sure you click 10 and below. Then you're going to go into job success and go to 90% and up. Remember, we want only top quality VAs. Then you're going to go to earn amount and they're going to have to make more than 10,000 or more. Doing this, guys, will make sure that you're not going out there teaching people how to fulfill a task. You're not going out there, picking people that don't know what they're doing. Okay. You need to find people that know what they're doing so that, once you're making $20,000 to $50,000 a month, they go plug it in, do whatever they need to do, and then they're done. Right. So now you have some people like, this person is experienced customer service and VA for e-commerce business. So you're going to find people that do a mix of a lot of different things. So you can hire one specific person to do both tasks. They can do the order fulfillment and the customer service. So you're gonna find a lot of cool people on here that knows how to do both. So what you wanna do, guys, is you wanna scroll down, go through every single one. You wanna click them, and what's gonna show is that what kind of work that they've been doing, how many jobs that they've been doing, total hours, their work history. Sometimes they're in progress with other Shopify stores. You find somebody that you like, then you can come in here and click invite. Once you hit invite, then you can, literally write a small message saying, hey, I would like you to, come onto my job posting. So you're going to, write a small message. You're going to click complete job post. Once you hit complete job post, it's going to make you create a job post. So, just make it very simple, guys. You don't need to make it too complicated. You can go into the title and just say you're looking for a drop shipping, order fulfillment. Boom. You go into update, then you can go into details. Once you go into details, this is an ongoing project because, like I said, if you're making $20,000 to $50,000, you want somebody that's going to be on your team for a while. You can click update. You could do a pay by hourly or a fixed rate. What I do, guys, is I actually go into the original VA, and once you click on the VA's job task, you can actually see how much other people are paying, and you can roughly pay around the same amount of money. So you can put I saw this person said it was like $7 an hour. Maybe it's going to take maybe 2 hours to fulfill all the orders. To make sure that you're not getting spammed with a lot of different people, and you want to get people that you feel like can fulfill your task, you can come in here into the visibility section and make sure you hit invite only. Okay, so these are only going to be the people that you invited into your job post. If you click anyone or only Upwork talent, you're going to have a whole bunch of people flooding in, and now you got to go through every single one trying to figure out which one is going to be the best person. Okay, you want to just go out there and find the person that you feel like they can fulfill your task. Okay, so make sure you do invite only. Once you hit your budget and you go into review, then you just post an invite. So once you pick somebody on Upwork, guys, you can go onto your Shopify store and add them as a staff into your Shopify store. So you can go into settings. Once you go into settings, then you can go into plan and permissions. Once you go into plan and permissions, you can add as a staff. You're gonna come in here, put their first name, last name, email, and make sure you do not add them as an admin access. Okay, you don't want to do that to nobody that you hire. Okay, you only want yourself to be the admin. So for the person that's going to be fulfilling orders, obviously they're going to need access to your orders. They need to edit orders, draft orders, maybe products, customers, maybe reports, and that's literally it. Okay, so you just select those and then they can fulfill the orders for you. Very simple, guys. Remember, you don't have to do this at the very beginning. You don't have to worry about LLCs or go on Upwork and hire VAs. Just do what you need to do in order to get to that point. And once you get to that point, when you're making like $10,000 a month or $20,000, $50,000, $100,000 a month, okay, guys, you can hire these people, and then you don't have to literally focus on staying on your computer all day, doing order fulfillment, or answering customer emails, or going onto your social media and answering DMs. That stuff is a time hassle, man. And so you want to hire these people out, and so that you can go out there and focus on advertising, finding new products, expanding out your business, so that you can reach your goals and have the growth in your business that you want to see. If you want to make sure that you're getting notified for the last 3 videos that are going to be dropped, they're going to be straight bangers, I promise. Make sure you hit the notification bell, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video.